Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Verify your iPad is a 10th generation unit and update it to iPad OS 16, 1 or newer. Once done, make sure the same Apple ID, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and handoff are active. This links Windows and continuity. You should also prepare any Mac or external monitor if you plan to use a larger workspace, because Stage Manager on this iPad supports one external display. Now, make sure your apps are updated so they show in multitasking. You now enable Stage Manager directly. Go to Settings, Home Screen and Multitasking, and toggle Stage Manager on. Next, configure display options, select whether recent spaces appear and choose your preferred window sizing. This setting affects how apps snap and scale. You should practice dragging apps from the dock into the Stage Manager Center, resizing windows by their corners, and grouping apps by stacking them together. This creates workflow spaces. If you plan to use an external monitor, connect it. To finish, refine your workspace. Arrange and save app layouts so you can recall them quickly, and use Control Center to toggle Stage Manager when switching tasks. Make sure to test persistence, open a few spaces, switch away, then return. This confirms settings. If things go wrong, restart the iPad first. That often clears layout issues. If an app refuses to resize, force close it and check for updates, or reinstall the app. That typically resolves compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.